Whether you work in an enterprise, small office, or completely on your own, having a smart printer is capable of enhancing your productivity by tenfolds. They are compact, easy to use, and have tons of amazing features to make your life a lot easier. Introducing the P3300DW from Pantum, a smart office printer with high-quality prints and wireless functionality for convenient usability. We got the fortune to get our hands on one of these, and we will be unboxing, testing, and reviewing to see whether it's up to the mark. So without further delay, let's get started. Cut opening the box, we get to see the printer itself, sealed tightly with protective foam. Glue tapes are used in multiple joints, so let's peel them off one by one. Besides the printer, the box includes several accessories such as power cord, a USB cable, CD-ROM for driver installation, and a quick setup guide for getting the printer up and running as fast as possible. For setting up the printer, installing the toner cartridge and paper tray, we need to remove the protection cushion by pulling the front portion of the printer down and taking the starter cartridge out of the printer. We have this optional DL410E toner cartridge with us that is capable of printing at a much higher yield. To get it ready, all you need to do is press down the buckle, separate it from the drum unit, remove the protective black paper, give it a shake, and you are good to go. Next up, you have to pull the seal evenly, assemble it, and mount it on the printer. P3300DW comes with an adjustable paper tray that can accommodate a handful of paper sizes, including A4. Before feeding the tray with paper, make sure to spread them for smooth operation. Once done, load it up with papers, slide the blue chips for a secure fit, slide the tray back in, and start printing. Now onto some number crunches. This mono laser printer is equipped with a 350 MHz processor that enables it to print out 33 pages per minute. With a maximum printing resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi, the print quality appears sharp, vivid, and vibrant with amazing readability. The paper input tray is capable of loading up to 250 pages, and through this printer's duplex mode, you get to save much of your time. Pantum P3300DW is 13 inch wide, 13 inches deep, and 9 inches tall, which honestly is quite compact and will fit into narrow corners without taking up much space. Just like modern smart printers, this one also has a 2-line LCD control panel and wireless connectivity to print over Wi-Fi via your smart devices. To get started with wireless printing, download the Pantum SFP app on your smartphone, hit the wireless button on the control panel, and scan the QR code shown on the LCD screen. Your smartphone will be paired up with the printer in no time. As far as smart printers go, the Pantum P3300DW is one of the simplest ones with straightforward functionality, speedy prints, and lots of added perks to make your printing effort a lot more simple. So that was all about the Pantum P3300DW printer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.